Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ACBFF. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Been tracking this chart on a very routine basis, and I got some more fireworks. The past couple of days I've been using the word boring, not in a bearish sense, just in the sense of, sometimes prices just have to consolidate. And today though, some fireworks showed back up. Price got the nice gap, and after the gap, price actually did a little bit of running, and then ran all the way up as high as right there. But then after that, the sellers and profit takers showed up. And, the price, crashes isn't the right word. It just, it pulled back. But the key thing about this pullback and what I like about it is that the price is still up above the previous breakout point. Right here at, let's see, what was that? Right around $9.60. That was essentially the previous high from right here. And the price is still above it, meaning that's just a great example of resistance now turning into support. And while I'm not saying this is going to happen, just for example's sake, so I can kind of illustrate how nice this would still be, let's say that the price actually continues on down to 960, behaves in that manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. Even if that were to happen, what would you still have? You'd still have a set of lows right here. You'd have lows right here. You'd have that low there. You'd have that low. You'd have that low. You picture these as stair steps. And these stair steps would still very beautifully be going in the upwards direction. Again, I'm not saying the price is headed down to 960. My point is that even if that were to happen, the overall chart would still have plenty of opportunity to build that higher stair step, and that's what you want. And for you viewers that have watched the past videos, you've heard me beat this dead horse time and time again, but it's all about that purple line there from the grand scheme of things perspective, and so far so good. The price continues to hold above there, and that's what you want to see. Now, what about some levels of resistance? Initial area of resistance on any sort of bounce is going to be this little miniature area right here at the $10 mark. After 10, next key level to keep an eye on will be up here from this morning, where on a couple different occasions the price tried to push through 1040 and couldn't quite do it. So initial level 10, and then after that 1040. All in all though, grand scheme of things viewpoint, the price continues to build higher bases, and that's what you want to see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.